Stevie's making the Christmas tree. He's dressing the Christmas tree. Right, Stevie?
You like it, huh?
And Ella just did a little train with Daddy.
Do you want to start it again?
Look at all the stuff we have here.
This right here. No, this one. All aboard!
You're so sweet. Come on, Stevie and Mommy will do the Christmas tree.
You gonna make a tunnel? Ella's gonna make a tunnel too?
2012.
So tunnel number 1. And tunnel number 2. I'm gonna make a tunnel now.
And 1 and 3.
Right.
All right, who's gonna help me dress the tree? Okay.